This is my 12-month permaculture update. I've added a sliding glass door to my shed, and I'm in the process of insulating it, and that's going to become a greenhouse. The sun hits that directly during the fall and spring, so it'll be great. I built out 2 raised beds. They're kind of on contour with the land because there's a huge hill here, as you can see. I planted tomatoes here, peppers, and cucumbers here, and a little bit more tomatoes. For fall, I planted some garlic in that bare spot and some radishes. And then I had a row of lettuce, but the slugs around here eat all my lettuce. So I might need to start them inside and then bring them out next time. This Hugelkultur, mostly I just allowed it to grow radishes and arugula this year. And as you can see, I planted a bunch of apple trees. So got an apple tree on that Hugel. And then one right there about 10 feet apart. And this one's about 6 feet. And then another 6 feet. And then I have apples against the fence line here. I cleared this drain a little more so that the water can find its way to the Hugel. And then I've been building a second layer of Hugel, like a second sort of swale type structure. Buried logs, dirt, leaves, grass clippings. You name it, it's in there. Also have 2 pear trees. We'll see how those work out. As for natural stuff, I got a bunch of raspberries that are growing in from the neighbor's yard, so I'm happy about that. They seem to be migrating to the Hugel. I have a lot of wine berries. I had lots of peppers here. The deer came and ate all the leaves off. Somehow I either left the fence open or they jumped the fence. But they left all the peppers, so I was happy. I guess they didn't like the hot peppers. So I got pretty much every single pepper off the plant. My growing season is almost over. Things are kind of dying. I've been covering soil with grass clippings. And I grew beans here. And beans have finished for the year. But then I got a bunch of budget grape plants, $3 a piece, so I put in 5 grape plants. They don't look like they're doing so well. They lost most of their leaves. So we'll see if they come back next year, but for 15 bucks, if I can get half of them to be established, I'll be happy. All right, thanks for watching.